Today, we're exploring the supplier deviation request process. Wondering how to maintain top-notch quality in unexpected situations? We'll walk you through it step by step, so let's begin. What's a supplier deviation request, or concession? Think of it as your reliable toolkit for ensuring quality and reliability in manufacturing components, even when things get challenging. In simple terms, it is a process that involves making necessary adjustments to a product's specifications while maintaining top-tier quality. Typically, it is used in automotive and aerospace sectors. What is the process? Step 1. Identify deviation. Imagine you're a mechanic examining an intricate part for any sign of irregularity. Let's be more specific. Your keen eye spots any deviation from the original specifications, such as size, material, or design, which may impact product quality. Step 2. Document deviation. Think of yourself as an expert scribe, meticulously recording every detail of your mechanical discovery. Now you gather comprehensive documentation, including measurements, photographs, and detailed descriptions of the identified deviation. Step 3. Evaluate impact. Imagine you're an automotive engineer, assessing how a change in engine components affects overall performance. In the supplier deviation request process, you assess the impact of the deviation on the product's functionality, safety, and compliance with industry standards. Step 4. Propose mitigation. Conduct a brainstorming session with experts and figure out the best and most creative solutions to overcome unexpected deviation. Present solutions to rectify the identified deviation, ensuring product excellence. The outcome can either be a conditional approval for use as is or involve rework, repair, return, or scrap, depending on the circumstances. Step 5. Gain approval. Picture yourself as a skilled negotiator, presenting a compelling case to secure buy-in from key stakeholders, which determines the final disposition of the affected part. In other words, you seek approval from all relevant parties, including the customer, or suppliers, quality control teams, engineering team, and decision makers. Step 6. Implement change. Picture yourself as a master mechanic, skillfully adjusting and fine-tuning a mechanical component to ensure product excellence and functionality. In real life it means turning the final approved disposition into action, ensuring they are seamlessly integrated into the manufacturing or assembly process. Step 7. Verify results. Picture yourself as a quality control inspector, meticulously examining the modified component to ensure it meets stringent quality standards. In the supplier deviation request process, you rigorously inspect and test the modified product to verify that it now aligns with the revised specifications and technical agreements. Step 8. Document outcome. Think of yourself as a diligent archivist, carefully recording the results of the deviation correction process. Now, you comprehensively document the outcomes, including the results of the verification process and any valuable lessons learned. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to navigate unexpected twists while maintaining top-tier quality. If you found this video both informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and visit our homepage. Thanks for watching. Until next time.